In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up post-purchases in Hubspot. This is a straightforward process that you can complete in about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll be able to manage your post-purchase workflows with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. This is where we'll kickstart the setup process. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login details. If you're not already a HubSpot user, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you have your account, logging in will bring you to the HubSpot home. This is the central hub of your operations. From here, navigate to the automations section. You'll notice it on the main menu. Automations in HubSpot allow you to streamline repetitive tasks, and it's an incredibly useful feature for ensuring that your post-purchase processes run smoothly without manual intervention every time. Once in the automations area, select workflows. This is where the magic really happens. Workflows in HubSpot are essentially automated rules that define the actions you want to take when certain criteria are met. For post-purchase setup, this could involve sending a follow-up email, tagging a customer in your CRM, or updating status fields, for example. Next, you'll want to create a new workflow. Click on Create Workflow to begin. This will bring up several options on how to start, but we'll be choosing to build one from scratch. This method gives you complete control over customizing the process to fit your specific business needs. After selecting from scratch, click Next to proceed. Now you've made it to the workflow editor. This is the heart of your HubSpot automation setup, where you'll configure the steps necessary to manage your post-purchase engagements. Start by defining the trigger that will initiate the workflow. This could be an action like a purchase completion or receipt of payment, whatever the starting point is for your post-purchase strategy. Once you have your trigger set, you can add whatever actions you need. These might include sending a thank you email to the customer, updating contact records, or notifying team members of the sale. The visual workflow editor in HubSpot is intuitive, enabling you to drag and drop actions seamlessly. Remember to save frequently as you build out the workflow. After you've set everything up to your liking, it's essential to test your workflow to make sure it triggers and performs the correct actions as you expected. This can save you from potential hiccups down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a post-purchase workflow in HubSpot. This automation will help manage your relationships and keep your operations streamlined, ultimately contributing to an improved customer experience. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for further tutorials on making the most out of HubSpot.